Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play with your PC friend on Rainbow Six Siege. It's a straightforward process that allows console players to team up with their PC counterparts. The game fully supports crossplay, meaning you can easily connect with friends on different systems. Just remember, you will need a Ubisoft Connect account, which is free and simple to link. When a console player joins a PC friend, your entire party will be placed into the PC matchmaking pool for fair play. To begin, you'll need to ensure crossplay is enabled on your console. From the main menu, simply select the options icon. Once there, navigate to the General tab. You'll find a setting labeled Crossplay Matchmaking. Make sure this is switched to on. This crucial step allows your console to connect with players on other platforms, including PC, opening up your friend-finding possibilities. Now that crossplay is active, it's time to add your PC friend. From your game lobby, look for the Invite Friends option, usually indicated by a specific button prompt. This will open the Ubisoft Connect overlay. Within this overlay, you'll find a search bar. Type in your friend's exact Ubisoft Connect username, then send them a friend request. Once they accept, you'll see them on your friends list, ready for action. With your PC friend added, inviting them to your party is the final step. From your in-game friends list, simply select their name and send a game invite. Once they join, your party will be formed, and you'll automatically be placed into the PC matchmaking pool for any game mode you choose. This ensures fair competition and a smooth experience. Get ready to strategize and dominate the battlefield together, no matter your platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.